Hi, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount into an E46 BMW. As you can see here, it's all fully bolted in and looks great. The metal bracket will come with these 5mm nuts and bolts that you can then use to attach your fire extinguisher cage to. Just always use a metal caged extinguisher. In the video today though, I'm going to install this twin latch one that we sell on our website. It's very easy, let's go do it. The tools required to install this bracket is just a 16mm socket and ratchet and a couple of 8mm spanners. Just remove these little plastic covers over the seat nuts on both sides, and then with that 16mm socket, remove that bolt. Then we install the bracket onto those posts and reinstall the nuts. After you tighten them down, you'll see the bracket comes up a little bit. Then just give it a press into the carpet with your palm. Just like that. Put the covers back on the nuts and install the extinguisher. Thanks so much for watching. As you can see, super easy, looks great, and will be able to protect your vehicle in case of emergency.